Hey, Akuna Matata, I have two pro tips about the Canon EOS R5 C that I want to share with you, and also I have a bonus tip at the end. Pro tip number one, I'm going to record TikTok video for my friend. And we know TikTok video, Instagrams, and so on and so is a vertical, is a portrait. And the Canon R5 C also can record vertical video. But the challenge that you will face is that if I'm recording this way, you can see the camera is there. That's in the vertical position, but the menu remain horizontal. So it's very difficult for me really to read, the menu like this. All right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you if you just do in a normal way. So here I'm in the menu, right? And here where you can see OSD orientation. The OSD orientation, that's why you can change 90-degree left and 90-degree right. It's depending on how you're holding the camera. If you're holding this way, that will be 90-degree right. And if you're holding this way, that will be 90-degree left. Let me change to 90-degree left. Now I set to 90-degree left. You can see the menu. That's holding the camera this way. You can see the menu is set up vertically too. Right. If you're holding this way, so you go into the menu, change to 90-degree right. You change to 90-degree right, and then you change like this. Right. That is the difference. But that is a long way. Every time you want to do it, you have to go through that. That's what I'm gonna help you set up a button. And that's the button that's going to allow you every time you want to turn vertically, you press the button and the menu will change automatically. So you're going to set up a button. So in front of the camera, you got the button number 12. So that's what we're going to change. Because I'm going to change it quickly and then we're going to record the vertical TikTok video now. So I'm going to go menu. Okay, let's go find button number 12. Here, button number 12 is now set to none. So you're going to select and go find OSD orientation. All right, here OSD orientation LCD. So we're going to select that. So now on, every time that you press the button number 12, the menu will automatically change. So let's say I am here. Now it's vertical. If I press, it can go horizontal. If I press again number 12, it go vertical. It depends on how I hold the camera. But mine I'm holding this way, so that's the vertical that I need. Pro tip number 2. The Canon R5 C also record slow and fast. It means that you can record up to 120 frames per second. Yeah, 4K. With the R5, we have the ability to set up custom shooting mode. We have the option C1, C2, C3. What that means is that you can register frame rate of C1, for example, you can register C1 to record 120 frames per second, C2 can record 25 frames per second, and C3 can record another mode that you want. But with the EOS R5 C, we don't have that option until we are stuck. The mode number 7, that this number 7 button, which is mode, if that's with the R5, that's what it gives you, the option to move from one to another one. But with the R5C, it does not give you that. So what I'm going to do, okay, let me just show you if in a normal way, if you wanted to do, let's say that you're recording, and now I'm recording 25 frame per second, and then I want to record, slow motion. So then I have to go through menu, and through menu, you have to go through, the recording mode, and then recording mode, and then you have to choose slow and fast, and you choose your frame rate, and now you come out of the menu, and now you can record slow motion like this, 100 frames per second, all right? And you have to go through all those kind of, steps in order to do that. But as that's too long, you need efficiency. Time is paramount. So I'm gonna help you set up assign a button which will give you the option. Every time you press that button, automatically just going to change your frame rate. The button number 7, which is already on the R5, that gives you option to choose between the custom setup, So that's why we're going to set up as slow and fast. So what I'm going to do, let's go back to the menu. We go into the menu, we go to assign button. Okay, here, assign button. So let's find button number 7. So button number 7 for now is not assigned. So that's what I'm going to choose. And then let's find slow and fast mode. Here, slow and fast motion. So now I select, I come out of that. So from now on, every time that I click on this button, then you move from one frame rate to another one. Now it's 25p. So if I want to move from 25p to slow and fast, I just press it. You see, it give me 100 frames per second. That's what I set up. Now I'm going to be in a position to start recording slow and fast without have to go through the menu. So we're going to do slow and fast. I'm going to come out of that now. I press number 7. I'm just normally recording. Okay. Hey guys, that's Case Editor here. When I was recording tip number 2, I forgot to mention this one. So when you set up the button, assign a button, right, for slow and fast, is that you cannot, the assign button will only give you to choose between 2 options: normal recording and slow and fast motion, not slow and fast and audio. Because with that, every time that you select, it will just gonna move between those 2. And my message is for Canon is, if Canon with a firmware update can make it so that it gives you option to select between the 3 mode: normal recording, slow and fast motion, and also slow and fast with audio, SNF. Then because sometimes when you record in slow motion, you want to record the audio as well, because in the normal slow and fast recording there is no audio. It's only there's the other option where the audio is recorded in the SD card. And so I hope that Canon will update the firmware update and give us the option to choose that. Right. The bonus tip is about the lens and also the lens cap or lens dust cap. I don't know if that's happened to you. I struggled with that in the beginning when I want to really close it, right? I struggle till, I figure out exactly what is the problem. And I'm going to show you how, to do it smoothly. Okay, so here's the lens and here's the cap. And 2 things that you have to align in order for the smooth, closing. On the cap, you see at the top, there is a bump at the top of the cap here. Let me put it this way, you can see that. Yeah, you can see that at the top. And also along the line of the lens, there is a gap, there's a hole here. So that is the thing that you need to remember. And then the lens, you can see this red thing right here. Yeah, you can see the red. That's a really important thing to know. So how you do it? So you have to align, the red dot with the hole here. So if you put it this way, you align it, right? When it's aligned, you just turn it, and that's it. You wanna remove, you remove it, all right? But if you put it somewhere else, it's really difficult, That's what the challenge I was facing till accidentally I came across it. Right, align, bam. That's a bonus tip for you. I hope that you find this bonus tip very useful. Otherwise, that's a 3 tip that really I want to share with you to make recording with the Canon EOS R5 C so smooth and so simple and as just like a pro. All those buttons, you just need to assign them. You don't need to every time go through the menu in order to do that, right? So that's my 3 tip here. Hakuna Matata, my friend. I hope you find it very, very useful. And if so, please give me a like And if you're not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. And also let me know in the comment box below if there is a particular video that you want me to do, and I can do that for you too. All right, my friend. As always, stay safe, stay protected. May God, grace and blessing be on you. Right? From me, has always been love. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. Ciao.